Why are you waiting for a tow truck when you can revive your car yourself? With 2000 amps, this baby can start your ride in seconds, even 25 times on a single charge. Worried about safety? Don't be. This jump starter has 8 protection features. It works in extreme temps too. From 40 DGF to 140 DGF, it's ready for anything. This isn't just a jumper, it's a power bank and emergency lamp also. 2 USB outputs plus a quick charge port? Yes please, charge all your devices fast. Check out this LCD screen, no guesswork on battery status, and it's waterproof and shatterproof. Outdoor adventures, bring it on. You get the Powrun starter, cables and a case, all you need in one kit, plus a 2-year after-sale service. Any questions, they'll respond in 12 hours. Why are you still stuck on the side of the road with a dead battery? Check out the Powrun P-One Jump Starter, it starts your car in seconds. Still using those sketchy jump starters that could blow up in your face? This bad boy has 8 protection systems to keep you safe and sound. Why carry 3 devices when you can have the Powrun all-in-one? It's a jump starter, power bank, and emergency lamp. Total game changer. Seriously, it's got you covered for camping trips and late-night adventures. Looking for something easy to use and totally reliable? With the LCD display, you can check battery status at a glance. Plus, it's waterproof and ready for any outdoor adventure. Ever been stranded with a dead battery and no help? Meet the Powrun P-One, your battery's new BFF. With a massive 2000 amp boost, it starts cars like a boss. Dead battery? No worries, it can jump your ride up to 25 times. Safety first, this jump starter has 8 protection systems. It even works in extreme temps, from freezing cold to sizzling hot. Plus, it has smart indicators to keep you on track. But wait, there's more. It's a power bank too. With quick charge USB ports, your devices stay alive. And don't forget the LED light with 4 modes, super handy. No more guessing. The LCD screen shows battery status clearly. Its rugged design is waterproof and shatterproof. Road trip ready. Don't get stuck. Grab your Powrun P-One now and roll on. Did you know this jump starter packs a crazy 2000 AP current? It can revive your ride up to 25 times on a single charge. Safety is key. This bad boy has 8 protection systems. It even works in extreme temps from 4 DGF to 140 DGFs. But wait, there's more. It's also a power bank and an LED flashlight. 2 USB outputs to charge all your gadgets quickly. The LED has 4 modes, from SOS to strobe. Super handy. Perfect for camping, emergencies, or late-night adventures. Check this out. It has a digital LCD screen for battery status. And it's tough. Waterproof, dustproof, and shatterproof. So, are you ready to take your road trips to the next level? Grab the Powrun P-One Jump Starter now.